Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by forcing shutdown and booting into the Windows recovery environment. This is the quickest path to recovery. Once in WinRe, you choose Advanced Options, then Startup Settings or Command Prompt so you can capture the stop code and any minidump pointers. Make sure to write down the exact stop code and any recent hardware or driver changes you remember. If a USB or external drive is attached, remove it. Peripherals often trigger blue screens, and we eliminate variables immediately. Once done collecting info, you run chkdsk to check disk integrity, and then sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. These commands target common causes. If SFC reports issues it cannot fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to pull known good files from Windows components and then repeat SFC. Next, boot with minimal drivers or safe mode and uninstall any drivers installed right before the crash. Drivers are frequent culprits, so make sure to test after each change. If repairs don't resolve the blue screen, you move to restoration. Use System Restore to roll back to a known good point, or choose Reset this PC and keep your files to preserve data. Make sure to update BIOS or UEFI firmware and apply Windows updates. Then reinstall drivers directly from the hardware vendor rather than Windows Update. Finally, run memory and SSD/HDD diagnostics to rule out hardware. Troubleshooting tip: if crashes continue, swap RAM module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.